this one, so I need its slope. So first thing I'm going to do is plus negative. So negative 5, well, let me error diagram. Y times negative 5 plus 2x with 8 minus 2x divided by negative 5. So I have 8 minus 2x divided by negative 5 equals y plus negative. Divide each term. That's going to give me negative 8/5. Now a negative and a negative is going to give me positive 2/5. Yes? So the slope of my line is 2/5. That's the line that was given. Now I want a parallel line, so it's also going to have the exact same slope, correct? So now I have a slope and I have a point. It's exactly like yesterday. So I'm going to do y equals mx plus b. That's my slope. This is my x and y. So see, y is negative 3, m is 2/5, x is 4, plus b. Okay, I'm going to work this without a calculator here. That's 4 over 1. And remember, if they don't reduce, you just multiply straight across. 8/5. Yes? So I'm going to work without a calculator because I'm hoping some of the stuff's come back to you. Now I have to subtract 8/5 from both sides, correct? I'm going to work that one without a calculator too. I have negative 3 minus 8/5. Teresa, stop. That's why I said it again. Okay? Common denominator is 5. So I really have negative 15/5 plus negative 8/5. Right? Add them. Yep, I get negative 23/5. I want us to keep remembering these fraction rules. That is our goal for the years. By the end of the year, you better know how to add, subtract, multiply, divide those fractions. So now y equals, m was 2/5, and b is negative 23/5. And since it didn't state what form, I'm going to go ahead and leave it. But if I were to change the standard, what would I do?
Subtract y down to 23.
Multiply by 5. Yes? Everything gets a 5. And then make sure x is positive. Yeah? Ready for another one?
Yes.
I want to find an equation of a line perpendicular to y equals negative 5/2 x minus 17, perpendicular to y equals negative 5/2 x minus 17, passes through the point negative 1, 1. Passes through the point negative 1, 1. Okay, once again, I'm going to draw a picture to make sure we understand what's going on here. I have a line somewhere like that, and I have a point here. Oh, not there. Hold on. Ah! I have a line, and I have a point negative 1, 1. But instead of a line that's parallel, I want a line that's perpendicular, but it has to go through that point. You understand what's being asked? Okay, so first things first, I need this slope, which is what?
Negative 5 over 2.
Negative 5 over 2. That's easy, right? Last time we had to solve to get the slope, but this one is given to us. How nice of them. But that's the slope of the line that's there. So what is my slope?
Y equals 2/5.
No, what is my slope?
2/5.
2/5. There's no y equals in there. Okay. Yes? Everyone follow that logic? This is the slope of the line that's there. This is the slope of my line because I want a perpendicular, opposite reciprocal. I'm going through the point negative 1, 1, so that's x, y. So I have y equals mx plus b. So I have 1 equals 2/5 times negative 1 plus b. Then we multiply first, so I get 1 equals negative 2/5 plus b. With me so far? Okay, now I have to add 2/5 to both sides. I'm going to go over here. 1 plus 2/5. This one needs a 5 and a 5. Yes? That's 5 fifths plus 2 fifths, which is
7/5.
7 fifths. So my equation is y equals 2 fifths x plus 7 fifths. And actually, for practice, let's go ahead and put this in standard, just to make sure we get that. So, like I said, the directions don't say on these which one I want. I will be very crystal clear on the quiz which one. I think I even bold them on the quiz to make sure.
Can't see
And no. Okay, so what do?
Multiply by 5.
Multiply everything by 5. So 5 over 1. Okay, so here I just get 5y, cancel, cancel, 2x, plus cancel, cancel, 7. But now remember we want x to be positive, so it needs to stay where it's at. So you take the 7 over, so I have 5y minus 7, and I need to take the 5y over. Basically moving everything else, that x needs to stay put. So I get negative 7 equals 2x minus 5y. Voila!